You know when you start something and then you kind of don't feel like doing it anymore, so now you're regretting starting it? That's me right now. So I'm thinking, let's see here. What am I thinking? I have no idea. Do I even have any thoughts? Who knows? Okay. So this is kind of just like a storage room right now, and I'm gonna make this into my craft area. Alright, so now I have all of my craft items in this room, and I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything. I'm not sure where it's all gonna go just yet, but I'm gonna figure that out as I go. Alright, let me do a quick overview of everything just so we know what we have. So I have like scrapbooking stuff, ribbons, sewing things, painting stuff, oh yeah, photo printer, resin, candle making things, and just some random other things. Also, don't mind my dolls, my little porcelain dolls. I collect them. Thank you very much. Yeah, I collect them and they're so cute, but I had nowhere else to put them, so they're just going in here. The rest I have in storage. I have a lot more. That one's just like, that one's my favorite, and then I found these other little baby ones over here. So they're just gonna stay in here for now because I have nowhere else to put them. Don't judge. This is a lot of stuff actually, now that I'm looking at it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna organize it all. I haven't really like thought that through just yet. I don't know, I'm hoping it'll just kind of come together, you know? So yeah, let's go. You know when you start something and then you kind of don't feel like doing it anymore, so now you're regretting starting it? That's me right now. The show must go on. They must. Okay, so underneath all of those ribbons, guess what I found? Some more dolls! Just look at these dollies. If you ever want to know what motherhood's like, it's this. Crying babies. Oh, this one's so cute. It has a little hat. Look at that, so cute. This is probably like creeping everyone out, to be honest, but ooh, she's been through it. This one, why is his head on backwards? Y'all ever just course I have to put my dolly in here. Alright, so I'm finally finished. This is how it turned out. It doesn't look the most appealing, but everything has its own place, and that's all I really care about. Yeah, let's start over here. So in this little rolly cart here, I have all of my resin stuff. Up top is all the molds. I didn't even know they had molds at Dollar Tree. I just bought these. And here is all of my mixing stuff. And here's all the glitters. And then I have some dried flowers. I had a lot more. I have no idea what happened to them. So I guess I'm gonna have to get some more dried flowers. And then some little gold flakies. I do have some dried flowers in this drawer, but they're not like my nice ones. And then these are just some resin projects that I've already completed. This little sword here. So cute. And then these drawers are my ribbons. I love ribbons. So cute. These are more of my holiday ribbons. So like the red ones for Christmas. Some like Thanksgiving. This one's like ribbons, twine, and then like extra stuff. And then down here are just all my little glass jars for making candles. So the desk drawers aren't that big, so I'm just using these for like my Cricut stuff to store it. Also some colored pencils, and then the charger for my laptop. On top of the desk, I just have my sewing machine. That's just gonna stay up here. And then I decided to put this cute little lamp. And then up here, I have my photo printer, my Cricut, and then lots of random pens, markers, pencils. They're not really like nice to look at, but they're there. And then up top, I decided to put all my sewing stuff in this basket because I don't sew that often. So these are all my little dolls. She is the queen. And then in this crate is just all of my painting stuff. And then I have this little dresser right here. I put another lamp. And then this just has like some, I don't really know, things. And here is all of my scrapbooking stuff. So I have to add some things to my scrapbooks, and then the actual scrapbooks and papers down there. So yeah, this is my craft room. I think it's a good start. Maybe along down the line, I'll make it look more aesthetically pleasing because it does not look like great right now. Nothing really matches. It's all just kind of like a hodgepodge of things, but yeah, eventually one day it's gonna look really nice, or maybe it never will, who knows. I hope y'all enjoyed, and peace out.